Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: linked list class with any class objects like student class objects or employee class objects in Java collections framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collections framework in Java. So coming to Java collections, it means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. What is framework? So framework means it is a library which is provided by Java to work with Java collection of objects, and this library is available to us in the form of java.util package. So in this package we have different classes, interfaces and its methods, using which we can perform different operations on Java collection of objects. So in collections framework we have collection interface, which is a top level interface or base interface for different collections related classes and interfaces. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. Second one, set collection. And third one, queue collection. So these three are sub-interfaces for collection interface. Fourth one, map interface. So this is not inherited from collection interface, but still it is part of Java collections framework. So coming to Java collections, it is mainly for objects but not primitive data type values. So if we add any int, char or floating or any boolean value, internally it will be stored in the form of object only. So hence Java collections, every data is an object itself. To be more precise, it is object class object format, where object class is a super class for all the classes in Java programming. So now coming to the concept of linked list class with any class objects. So here we are going to take student class objects. So first of all, this class is available in java.util package, and this class, it is inherited from Deque interface, which is inherited from queue interface, which is inherited from collection interface, which is inherited from iterable interface. And it is also inherited from list interface, which in turn is inherited from collection interface, and it is inherited from iterable interface. And this class, it is also clonable as well as serializable. Both are inherited marker interfaces. So marker interfaces means they doesn't have any data members or no abstract methods. They provide special functionality for our class. So clonable means we can perform cloning, duplicate linked list. So serializable means linked list can participate in serialization and deserialization process. So coming to the description of the linked list class. So open the command prompt and issue the command java-p java.util.linked-list. So linked list class, it is inherited from list interface as well as Deque interface, double-ended queue, and Deque is inherited from queue interface, and then it is clonable as well as serializable, right? So now coming to some technical points related to linked list class. So it stores collection of objects as one-dimensional array. So its initial default capacity is 10. It provides indexes to the collection of objects. So indexes range from 0 to size -1. It is capable of accepting duplicate objects. It preserves the order of objects, that is the same order in which objects are added to the collection. And using this class, we can not only perform linked list operations, but also stack operations, queue operations, double-ended queue operations using its provided methods and inherited methods. And internally, it maintains linked list data structure to store collection of objects. So coming to constructors and methods. So in the description of the linked list class, we are going to use this default constructor to create a linked list collection with initial capacity of 10. And then using add method, we are going to add students class objects into the linked list collection. Right. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Linked list class example 8.java. So take a new page. First write the comments. So program to create a linked list class with student class objects. So first import java.util package, then take student class. 3 data members, roll number, name, height, parameterized constructor with 3 parameters, R, N, H. So R is initialized to roll number, N is initialized to name, and H is initialized to height in the body of the parameterized constructor. And then we are taking a display method. So in display method, we are displaying roll number, name, height with tab spaces. Right, so let us go to the main class with main method. So linked list class example 8 with main method. Save this program in your working directory. So create an object of linked list. LL is equals to new linked list. And then we are creating 3 objects of student class, S1, S2, and S3. So for S1 constructor, we are passing roll number, name, height 1001, psi 6.0f. So those details will become data members or properties for S1. So similarly for S2, we are passing 1002 RAM 5.9f, and then for S3 we are passing 1003 Ali 5.6f. So these 3 student objects we are adding to linked list. ll.add S1, S2, S3, and initially we'll print the linked list. So when we print the linked list initially, we'll get the object reference code or hash code. So save this, command prompt, compile, linked list example 8.java. No error, and then run it. So S1 object reference code or hash code, S2 hash code, S3 hash code, which is class name @ hexadecimal number. Now let us try to access these 3 objects using indexes. So linked list dot get of 0. So internally it is stored in object class object format. Convert that into student class format, downcasting, and store that in a reference variable S11. Similarly, linked list dot get of 1, convert that into student class type, store that in S22. Similarly, linked list dot get of 2. So downcast that into student class type and store that in a reference variable s33 of type student class. So s11.display, s22.display, s33.display. So it should go to the display method and display roll number, name, height of the 3 students. So save it, recompile, and run. So S11, which are S1 details, S22, which is S2 details, S33, which is S3 details. So this is how we are supposed to work with linked list class with any class objects in Java collections framework. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.